Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, Rifki here, and now we already know what PHP MyAdmin is. So now let's make the database. To make it, uh, let's click this new button in the sidebar of the PHP MyAdmin page. Okay, new, and then let's name our database with db admin dashboard. Okay, so this is will be our database name. Okay, now let's create it. Okay, now our database is already been created. Now let's make the table for our login page, login application. Okay, for our login application table's name, let's name it db users. Okay, for the number of the columns, let's make it 4. Okay, now let's just create it. Okay, now the tables are created. Next, we need to fill these columns. Okay, in our table columns, first we need ID, and then name, your name, and then lastly password. Password. Make sure that you're not typo when create the table. Okay, now for the ID column, uh, the data type for the ID is in integer because it will be a number, and then the length, let's make it alright. Okay, the length or the values for our ID is, let's make it 10. And then oh yeah, for our ID column, let's make it auto increment, so every time the data is being added or increased, uh, the ID, the number of the ID will increment that by itself. Okay, now for the name column, let's change the data type into varchar, and the length of it is 35. Let's do the same as the for the username and the password. Varchar 35. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, now our tables for the users is ready now. Mm, let's add uh what's it a data into our table. Okay, to insert the data, press SQL and then insert. Okay, now in the first value, which is the ID, let's make it 1. and then the name, that's our name. Okay, and the username is, let's make it admin, and the password actually is, the last value is for the password. Let's make it 123. Okay, now let's save it by pressing the go button. Alright, so the data are the inserted into our database table. Now let's check it if it's already inserted. Okay, the ID is 1, the name is Rufki, and the username is admin, and the password is 123. Okay, so this username and the password will be inserted into this our login form. Okay, now next next we are going to connect our project into our database. Okay, see you next in our next tutorial. Bye.